Today we're out here at our customer demo day. It's kind of a big customer appreciation event. We should probably have 400 or 500 customers show up. So our company Wi-Fi doesn't reach this far out into the lot, and we needed to make sure that we had a reliable source of Wi-Fi that would last all day, because we're going to have laptops, mobile devices out here to demo, like I said, parts.cat.com for the customers. And like I said, I mean, you obviously have the option of hotspotting, but we've kind of found that for a long term, I just want to be connected all day. I don't know when a customer is going to walk up to the booth to take a look at this stuff. We just wanted to be on ready to go and kind of work that way. So we thought that'd be a more reliable solution. This is really our first time of having Wi-Fi out here. We were trying to demo some of the different technology products we got available, like our Vision Link software that helps you monitor your machine's condition and the hours, location, those types of things on there. We've also have got a demo set up at parts.cat.com for our customers, where they're able to log on from either their laptop or a mobile device and buy parts whenever it's convenient for them.